Dear brothers and sisters of the Healthcare Services Workers Union in South Korea, I want to tell you that it's very important your fight, not only for the South Korean citizens, but it's very important for all the world. Defending the healthcare system is is one of the fundamental aims of Public Services International. As we know, everybody needs healthcare services to protect their life, and quality public healthcare services can ensure universal access and universal coverage of health to all the people. This is why we think that it's very much important supporting the fight of many of our PSI members that are fighting against the privatization of healthcare services. And we also believe that healthcare provision is fundamental not only to support the well-being of our people and our community, but it's also fundamental because it constitutes one way to redistribute the wealth through granting universal access to quality public services. We fight with you. We fight with you and we support you because the way President Parker's government is trying to privatize public services in the healthcare sector as well as in transport and in many other sectors is very aggressive, and it shows how important it is for business to put their hand on such branches of public services activities. They know that people cannot live without accessing quality public services in health, in education, in transport, in water and sanitation, and this is why they want to open their market to privateers, to grant them their profit, and to reducing the possibility for working people to access these services. So we commend your fight, and we stand with you against this attempt to privatize. Your experience is well known around the world. There are many unions looking at your fight, looking how you can resist, and you are opposing this attack on public services that is often also accompanied by the attempt to deregister or not recognizing public services workers' rights and union rights in South Korea against any ILO convention and international labor standards. As I said, there's a strong sympathy towards you, towards your union and your fight. There's a strong support and solidarity that many unions around the world are expressing. And you know that South Korea, because of this joint attack on public services and unions' right, is one of the priority on PSI agenda to fight against privatization and against the violation of trade union rights. You will receive in the day of your general strike the support of other unions, and there will be other leaders, members of PSI, that will show how they are close to you and how they are fighting the same fight you are fighting. We are with you. Please stand and stand strong. Don't give up. We are with you, and we will win all together. Thank you.